Hey guys, in this video I wanted to talk about Jedi training trials of the temple at Hollywood Studios at Disney World. I know that was a mouthful, so Jedi training is what we're talking about today. Jedi Training Academy, if you've heard of it, is an event or basically a show that kids between the ages of 4 and 12 can be registered to go do, but there's some tips and tricks in order to get your kiddo actually enrolled for this experience, which is pretty amazing. And I'm sharing this with you as someone who's visited Disney World now twice. And so I've got 4 kids, and 2 of mine were old enough to actually do this when we went in 2019. Right now, here in 2022, I know that it has been paused, and so I wanted to share with you my tips and tricks in the event that this comes up again, and you guys wanted to know how to make the most of trying to get this experience registered. So what this is a Star Wars show. Basically, kids ages between 4 and 12 are able to register and sign up, and it's a very, very, very popular thing. Each show can accommodate about 32 children, and there's about 15 shows a day. Each show is about 15 minutes, and shows are held about every 40 minutes. And so what you need to do is that when Hollywood Studios opens up, and you are planning to go in, and let's say it opens at 9, you should be there about 30 minutes prior for rope drop. What you'll find is that there's a line of people either going to like Slinky Dog Dash or to this line for their kids. And what they are doing is essentially enrolling their kid into the show, because it will pretty much fill up if you're not there early in the morning. And if you don't get a register spot, there is a small chance, very, very small chance, that you can actually fill in as a no-show, but you just check into the outpost to see if there is any availability. All right, so once you show up 30 minutes prior to your registered show time, what's really cool is that they put the kids underneath a shade. You as a parent don't get any shade, but they put them underneath a shade to wait, and then they put on their Jedi robes for them and have a conversation with them. And then after that, they do this little adorable parade that they kind of show parents that they have their Jedi robes, they're prepared to go fight Darth Vader and Kylo Ren. And then they were, I think, split into like 2 groups, smallest to, I think, tallest. And there, again, is no rhyme or reason on how they were split up that way. But then after that, they are able to kind of go and train on stage. You as a parent or family member watching go basically behind these ropes to watch them. And I will let you know that, like, from the parade area to watching, it was kind of a mad dash. And so just be prepared for that. And again, there is no shade and there's no place to sit down. So if you're worried about that, that might be a concern for you. From a photo perspective, there are 2 PhotoPass photographers taking photos. So if you got the memory maker and or you want the pictures from the event, what you can do is get a card from one of the photographers so that you have those photos to buy them or whatnot. I would recommend videoing it, because there wasn't a lot of video, or they didn't sell the video. So if you think that that's important to you, make sure you create video memories for that. And that's pretty much it. It was a very short, cute, fun event that the kids absolutely loved. And again, best of all, it's completely free. If you like this content, please subscribe and click on the like button just to help me and the YouTube algorithm out to know that you guys like informative videos on family vacations like this. Thanks, guys.